What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 24. Before we get into this episode, we got something to tell you.
Hey y'all, so for this week's vlog, we are being sponsored by Simply Southern. They're a cute brand that's based in North Carolina, and they use bright and bold colors and Southern values and hometown charm to create a lifestyle brand of clothing, and they have a bunch of cute stuff that we're gonna wear throughout the vlog and show you guys. So yeah, we're really excited to work with them.
So with this unique Southern style, they work to give back to children in need all over the world, along with helping the sea turtles. So with us living in Hawaii, we thought that it was a perfect fit for the Haole vlog. So make sure you go check out their Instagram and their website. That's linked in the description. Plus 10% of all their profits go towards the Child Fund organization, the American Red Cross, the Network for Endangered Sea Turtles, plus 2 other marine life conservation organizations.
Buy some shirts, buy some hats, buy whatever your heart desires, because it's for a good cause. Save the sea turtles and help the children in need.
Yes.
Yes!
Back to the vlog. What up, guys? We're going to the beach today. Might do some swimming, maybe some bodyboarding, who knows? Also, we got some big news coming at you. BREE is starting her own YouTube channel.
Yay!
So this channel, the Haole vlog channel, is still gonna be the Haole vlogs every Monday. Still gonna be like Hawaii beaches and hikes and all the fun stuff we do. And then her channel is gonna be what exactly?
So my YouTube channel is gonna be a lot of couple stuff. So like tags and challenges and stuff. And then maybe some makeup and routine related girly stuff.
Yeah, it'll be like more personalized.
Yeah.
Fun. It'll be fun.
Yeah.
And the first video for that, for Bree's channel, will be
up next week.
It'll be up sometime next week. I'll put a link in the description so you can go subscribe to her.
It's a get to know us.
Yeah, the first episode's gonna be a get to know us, so it'll be fun. All right, now to the beach. Beach is always packed and there's like nobody here at all. Plus, we got some sick bodyboarding waves. So I gotta go get the board. Another solid beach day. It's a little cold and windy, but I think it's nice. Bree said it's too cold though, so I guess we're going home now. Okay, see you tomorrow. So we've been wearing the shirts that Simply Southern sent us, and we gotta say, they're high quality shirts.
Yeah.
Plus every shirt comes with like 3 stickers on it. Everybody loves stickers.
Yeah, you get to peel them off, put them on your little water bottle hydro flask. It's a little turtle. Who doesn't want a little turtle on their hydro flask? Thanks all here at Canela.
What's up, guys? What up? What up, players? It's been a little chilly lately. It's 76 degrees right now.
Chilly.
It's a little chilly. It's cold. I should have worn my winter coat. But we're gonna go to the beach today. But I think instead we're just gonna, what would you call this? We're not really doing anything. We're just kind of walking, hanging out. We're just enjoying this beautiful Hawaiian scenery. The beach is way over there.
It's right in front of you, you dumbass.
This really isn't, it's a lava rock beach. I don't know if that even counts.
We got accepted! Oh!
Also, we got picked for the NSC vlogging program. You might have seen the application video we made. So yeah, that's cool. So we're gonna be doing that now. It won't be on this channel, but it'll be on the NSC channel. So I'll also put that link in the description also. We got a lot of links. Another fun beach day. Kind of a beach day, I guess, not really. Another fun day in Hawaii. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we just...
What's up? No, you talk too much.
Well, you don't ever talk to begin with.
Well, I should because it gets more views.
Okay, so talk.
Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. We just got out of the movies.
This is why I talk.
Okay, I'll talk. We just got out of the movies. We went and saw Escape Room, and it was pretty good. I wasn't too fond of the ending, but it was good.
I'd give it like a 6. It exceeded my expectations. I had very low expectations for it, so I guess that's a good thing. But now we're gonna go to Target and get some stuff for BREE's new YouTube channel. The first video coming out next week. So let's go. We are looking for some paper plates and some whipped cream.
And maybe a few items here and there. It's
Target. BREE gets lost in this place, so
he doesn't.
We might be here for a few hours.
This one's good enough.
Cute.
This Target has groceries? What?
The Walmart that we go to by our house has like no produce.
Have you guys ever seen a lemonade, a Herbert's lemonade this big?
It's Hubert's.
Oh, Hubert. I don't know if you can see this, but this is not a little one. It's ginormous.
That's a big old Hubert right there. What else do we have to get, huh? What else? It's not full enough.
Real cream from Jeremy.
Set it.
Oh, big boy, get it in the car.
Oh my god, maybe if you didn't get so much stuff. We came for 2 things. We bought the whole damn store. Ugh! Just make Jeremy do it. Okay, we got our stuff, more than we needed, but we got the stuff that BREE needs for her YouTube video that we're gonna do today. We can't tell you what it's gonna be, because you're gonna have to go subscribe and watch for yourself. So I'll put the link in the description, like I said. Make sure you go subscribe and watch her new video that comes out this week. Thanks for watching this week. Come back next week for episode 25. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all the usual. Later.